people think of the library, usually they think of books, but we're a lot more than just books. Of course, we have books, and we have over 1 million, all downstairs on the lower level for you to check out. We also have videos, we have music, we have databases, we have electronic journals, we have pretty much anything that you need in your studies here at Fresno State. The library is going to be able to provide it to you. For help for students, we do a number of things here at the library. They're not about just the collections that we have. First of all, the reference department. You need help, go there. The staff and the students at Reference will help you with your research. They have an intimate knowledge of all the materials that the library has, and they'll get you pointed in the right direction to work on that project that's been hanging over your head all semester. In addition, we have laptops. Last year we checked out over 100,000 different laptops to students. That's our biggest checkout of anything that we have. This year we've added a couple of different new kinds of laptops. And we have 4-hour checkout for Dell laptops, of which we have about 200. We've added 4-hour checkout for iMacs, of which there are about 40. But we have 2 new different kinds that I think students will really like. First, if you are a Linux user, we have Linux-based laptops that you can check out just like a book for 28 days at a time. So you can check it out, take it home, take it on that trip, take it over spring break, whenever you want to use it. As long as you bring it back after 28 days, we're good. One other new kind of laptop, which is really a service for more specialized users, we have laptops that don't have any software on them at all. Again, you can check them out for 28 days. You can add the software that you need. This is really good for computer science students, for engineers, for a lot of business students who use special programs. We'll give you the hardware, you provide the software, use it as much as you want. Again, 28 days, bring it back. With those, we erase whatever you've added so the next student can check it out and do the same thing. Unique qualities and events. Well, you know, with our new building, which opened in 2009, we really designed it with the student in mind. So we have a variety of different environments that you can use if you're here in the building. For example, second floor of the new north wing, that is our food-friendly area. If you're up there, you can eat whatever you want, drink whatever you want. All we ask is clean up after yourself. Other areas of the building are designed for different study methodologies as well. We have areas with big tables where you can spread out, plug in your computer, a lot of tables that have power for your laptop or one of our laptops, use them there. If you like more quiet, the second floor of the south wing is a quiet space. Again, it has big tables, powered tables for your laptops, but it's quiet. So if you want an area where you can really think on your own without distraction, go to the second floor south. If you have a group and you want to work together, we have 8 group study rooms that you can reserve in advance, and you can check them out for 2 hours at a time. So if you guys are going to meet at 3 o'clock on Thursday, you can go on our webpage, use the link to reserve a study room, reserve it for that time, and then check out at the circulation desk. We check out a card, and if you have that card checked out, that proves to anyone else that you have possession of the room. This semester we've added some individual study rooms that we are reserving. There are 5 on the first floor. If you want to be by yourself and have a room where you can close off the rest of the world and really concentrate, reserve one of those through the circulation desk. Or if you find any that are in the rest of the building, if nobody's in those, you can use those. So whether you like to eat, drink, make noise, be quiet, this library has the study space that's going to accommodate your needs. New this semester, different kind of laptops. The Linux laptops that you can check out for 28 days, the new iMacs, brand new, really nice machines. So if you're a Mac user, iMac laptops, those you can check out for 4 hours at a time, just like the ones you may have used before. Blank laptops that don't have any software. Those you can load your own software. We'll check them out to you for 28 days. If you have special software for your classes or your department, load it up. When you bring it back, we'll just erase it and it'll be blank for the next person. Other new service, the individual study rooms. We've always had group study rooms you could check out. This semester we've reserved some of the individual ones. So if you like to study by yourself and you want a quiet space to do that, reserve an individual study room in advance and you'll know that you'll have one available. We have a staff of around 65, 20 of which are faculty librarians. Those are the librarians who do a number of things, help you at the reference desk, they'll teach the classes that you come into, they develop modules for you to use online, they take care of cataloging the stuff, building our databases. That's the faculty librarians. In addition, we have about 40 to 45 staff who participate in a wide range of activities, including running the circulation desk where you check everything out, running the laptop area, taking care of all the shelving to put things back on the shelf and keep it in order. So it takes a lot of people to run a library this size, and our staff, considering the size of the building and the number of people using it every day, our staff's a little on the slim side, but I'm really proud of what they get done. And the motivation for that is to have a good library and to have a library that serves the faculty and students here at Fresno State. We are currently hiring between 1,400 and 1,500 students per week to work with us. Now those students work in a variety of departments. The biggest areas are the circulation department, which checks out materials, runs the laptop program, and does all the shelving. The reference area, which has students who can help you with your research, and our security students who you'll see patrolling the building, making sure that everybody's doing what they're supposed to be doing and not doing what they're not supposed to be doing. But every department in the library has student assistants, many of which are specialized. Some of the special areas, the Special Collections Department, the Arnie Nixon Center, have students who process rare and valuable materials. Areas like the Music and Media Center or the Teacher Resource Center, they help you find the video, the music, the curriculum materials, the children's books. They've been trained in those areas to help you find what you need up there. So students, a lot of students work here. I mean, the 1,400 to 1,500 student hours per week that we have of students working here, which is approximately 100 people per week, are essential to keeping this place running. A lot of people come into this building, and between February 2009 and February 2010, over 1 million people came in. Every day, approximately 5,000 to 7,000 people come in and out of those doors. You multiply that out per week, the 5,000 to 7,000 is weekdays. Per week, it's about 50,000 gate count, which is 25,000 people. And per year, 1 million people. Library subscribes to a lot of materials that we pay for that you can use. Currently, we are in the transition. As much as we get in electronic formats so that you can use them online, whether you're in the building, at home, in your classes, or anywhere in the world, you can get into those resources. As of summer of 2010, somewhere between 50 and 60,000 subscriptions to journals, most of which we buy in packages. And so that if we get one journal from a publisher, we tend to get all the journals from that publisher. You can get to those through our homepage. When you go to our homepage, go to the tab that says Journals by Title, you can find all the journals that we get to, and that will link you to where we have them, whether they're online, in paper, in microfilm, bound. It'll get you to where we offer those services. In addition to journals, we have a wide range of databases, and those databases tend to be subject collections that will tell you what has been published in a certain area. So if you're in engineering, education, language and literature, English, it doesn't matter. We have a database for those topics, You can get to those from our homepage by going to the Journal Articles and Databases page, follow the subject links, and we take you to what we think are the best databases for any department on campus.